to do a Halloween science experiment.
Ooh, that sounds exciting. So what do you have there? What do you need for this science experiment?
We need bottles. We need balloons. We need fruit coloring. We need baking soda. We need vinegar. We need a marker, a teaspoon, and a funnel.
So Sari, are we ready to show them the steps? Yep, so what do we need to do first?
We get the orange balloon.
We're gonna draw your characters on the balloon. So you want to do the orange one first. What are you going to draw?
A pumpkin.
A pumpkin. What other characters are you going to use for this science experiment?
I want to do Jack.
Jack from Nightmare Before Christmas. What color?
White.
The white one. What does he look like? So we're gonna draw the face of a skeleton. Ooh, that's spooky. What's next?
We get the cat.
You're gonna draw a cat like a witch's cat. You're a witch. You're wearing a witch's hat. I love that hat. So sparkly. Nice cat.
Yes.
Black cat.
Wow.
Okay, so what's next? After you drew all those characters, so you have again, you did a pumpkin on the orange balloon, Jack on the white balloon, and the black cat on that. So we're gonna move on to the next step. We're gonna put vinegar in those bottles. So we need 3 bottles because you have 3 balloons. Yep, you can ask an adult for help if you need help. Alright, so slowly, don't spill it. Just half full. There you go, that's it. So that's 1 bottle. So need to fill 3 bottles. Good job, Sari. Are you having fun? Don't forget to like and subscribe. So your bottles of vinegar are ready. What's the next step?
We put the color.
And what colors are you going to use? That's appropriate for the Halloween.
Yeah, we'll make orange with it.
Okay, so you'll try to make the color orange. What colors do you need to combine?
Red and yellow.
Red and yellow makes orange. So just a few drops of the food coloring. So that's yellow. And then a few drops of red. I think that's it. And then just give it a stir. Alright.
Let's put yellow.
Bottle will be
Yellow.
just yellow.
And then middle will be white.
So you're trying to match it with the colors of the balloons. So you have orange, just a clear bottle of vinegar, and then yellow. Alright, stir. Try to mix it. So now the 3 bottles of vinegar are ready. We're gonna start doing the balloons and fill it up with the baking soda. Let's use
1 balloon. I'll do the.
Okay, we use the funnel. Put the funnel inside. We're just gonna put 2 teaspoons of the baking soda. Okay. Again, if you need help, you just ask an adult to help you. Doing a good job, Sari. So that's 1 teaspoon. So just 2 teaspoons of the baking soda. Alright, shake it. Make sure the baking soda is inside the balloon. There you go. Just fill all the balloons with. You just put baking soda inside those balloons. Okay, so we're gonna do some witchcraft magic. You're gonna put all the balloons on top of the bottles. Ooh, that's a nice magic trick, Sari. And that, my friends, deserve a like and subscribe. Alright, so what's the next step? We are going to slowly put the balloons up and we will see what happens once the baking soda mixes with the vinegar. Okay? Alright, so are we ready? Just wait.
3, 2, 3,
Okay.
2, 1, go!
Ooh, look at that. Look what's happening.
Yeah.
I can see Jack from The Nightmare Before Christmas and the cat. And let me just put this up so we can see. What's this one? It's the pumpkin. Look at that. So, when the baking soda mixed with the vinegar, it created bubbles that made air and it blew our balloon. So the orange balloon is the pumpkin and this is Jack from The Nightmare Before Christmas. And what's the other one? It's a witch's cat. Look at that black cat. Meow. That is really fun and cool. It's a very nice science experiment for this coming Halloween. Thank you for sharing, Sari.